Hey guys, it's Corebros, and today we're looking at the Geekom A9 Mega. So I wanted to do a video on this because this thing is going into Kickstarter, believe it or not, and I think it looks insane. So this is a Mega Mini PC. So they've already released their A9 Mini PC, and the reason I'm excited for that is because it has the new Strix graphics from AMD on it, which means that it's now actually good at gaming, or at least half decent. And I've been lucky enough to check out a whole bunch of mini PCs, but this is the one I've been waiting for because this is the one where finally we've got really good graphics in a tiny package, but this one is the Mega version. So you can buy the normal mini PC A9, but this one Mega is up on Kickstarter because it is really something different. And it is essentially just a big mini PC. It actually looks a little bit more like I would say a Mac Mini when it comes to size. It's going to have some extra features as well, like a fingerprint button. It's got much better cooling, which is a huge advantage for this little thing. It can do 128 gigs of RAM, and it can do dual PCIe 4.0 SSDs as well. Whole bunch of ports just like any mini PC as well, and it is just really something else. There's also apparently very, very good for AI stuff, much better than a 4090 just because you need all that RAM on board. So apparently this thing's supposed to be really good for the AI stuff too. And this is the kind of size of it here, and I think it looks cool. It's about, I would say, at least double the size of their normal mini PCs, but the big difference is going to be the cooling unit, because essentially this top half here is all the cooling unit, which is the big, big improvement, I think. And this could solve one of those big issues you have with mini PCs where they have a cooling solution that works, but not over long durations of processing. Whereas this one might actually be able to push the heat out much more effectively. So yeah, very, very good, I think. And you can see quite literally half of this thing is just a cooling solution. And to me, this is actually a perfect form factor for the actual mini PCs. And a USB port has fallen on its side. That doesn't seem like that's supposed to be in the video. But anyway. Now, I don't know if I'm going to get one of these to test. I would love to get the A9 mini PC because I think the graphics performance is going to be incredible. And then I'd love to check this out. But I assume because this is Kickstarter, it might be more of a limited run and my chances will be lower. And of course, it is expensive. But I love it. The design's cool. It's got a much more Mac Mini feel, but I think the actual size is perfect. I think mini PCs right now are too small in a lot of cases because they do need a bigger cooling solution. And I think this, especially if you're going to do AI stuff on it, you definitely need it, I think. And yeah, I think this thing's going to be great. I like the inclusion of a fingerprint sensor as well. And of course, they advertise it for productivity, creativity, and gaming. Now, that's the thing I'm interested in gaming. I think this thing could do very well. I think for AI stuff, it's going to be amazing. And of course, you can do video editing and stuff on it as well. So yeah, that is the Geekom A9 Mega. I also love the name. I think it sounds silly, but perfect. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.